Here with us today is Mr. Suzuki. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
I heard that this time, the property is actually a condo purchased by your Narashino branch. So this is a buy, renovate and resell project?
That's right.
You renovated it, and are now preparing to put it on the market. I heard it was a pretty extensive renovation.
Yes, we went all in on this one.
Could you give us a tour of the condominium?
Of course, please come in.
Thank you. Wow, this is amazing. How old is this property?
This is 43 years old.
And which area is it located in?
It's in the Maihara area of Funabashi City, Chiba Prefecture. The nearest station is Tsudanuma Station.
So, it's a family-type property, right?
That's right, 76 square meters, 3 LDK. Originally, it was a 4DK.
I see, so you changed it from a 4DK to a 3 LDK layout. Could you start showing us around the rooms?
Sure. So this is the entrance area. For the entrance flooring, we finished it with floor tiles this time. Also, there wasn't any shoe storage before, so we added a storage shoebox here. We made it a floating type, so with a motion sensor, it lights up with indirect lighting.
Oh, so it lights up automatically when someone walks by?
Exactly. It's linked with the downlights above, so they turn on together.
That's nice, especially when you come home at night.
Yes. There's a sensor right here, and you can switch it off or set it to stay on continuously if you prefer. All right, where shall we go next?
What's the highlight? The living room?
Yes, definitely the living room.
Then, let's take a look.
Sure. Right this way.
Wow. You've got downlights here. And it's an open-style kitchen.
That's right. Originally, the kitchen was attached to the wall, but we changed it to a counter style.
So, where was the kitchen originally located?
It used to be over here.
I see, it was attached over there. So, you moved its position a bit, and made it counter style.
Exactly. Also, for the electrical outlets used for kitchen appliances, these days many people install tall cupboards around 1 meter high. So we intentionally placed the outlets a bit higher on the wall.
That means the new owners can freely choose and install their own cupboards.
Right, and the outlet on the right side is for the refrigerator.
It's a pretty spacious kitchen area.
Yes, we thought this corner might turn into dead space. So we installed adjustable shelves. If you raise the lower shelf a bit more, you can even fit a trash bin here.
I see, these shelves are pretty deep too.
Yes, we secured storage space with the movable shelves. And this kitchen is from Lixil's Sierra series.
Is it Sierra S?
That's right.
This caught my eye right away. But the staging here looks amazing. Did your Narashino branch handle that as well?
Yes, these are rental furniture pieces that we brought in for staging.
You don't often see this in regular rental properties, right?
Not really.
Since this is a condominium for sale, you've done home staging like this.
Exactly.
How much of a difference does that make?
It makes a huge difference. The overall impression changes completely. Even with the property we sold recently, we noticed that. Although the cost is a bit higher, showing a lived-in feel really helps. It makes buyers more eager to purchase.
Right. With furniture like this table setup, it's much easier for people to visualize how the space would actually look when they live here.
Exactly.
This looks really stylish too. I see you've got indirect lighting here.
Yes, we installed indirect lighting to the far end of the wall.
And this wall in front, is it wallpaper or tile?
We used an accent wallpaper here.
The indirect lighting looks great against the simple wall pattern.
Right, that's why we avoided using dark tones.
I see. And you used a very clean-looking flooring material as well.
Yes, this is soundproof flooring made by Noda.
Since this is a condominium, were there any floor insulation regulations?
Yes, this building has an L40 soundproofing requirement. So compared to L45 flooring, the material cost alone is nearly double. It's expensive, but we have to follow the condo's regulations.
I see. I really like this window decoration here.
Yes, this is Panasonic's interior window series. You can freely choose one tier or two tiers for the design, so it's very convenient to work with.
Older condominiums often have spaces like this, don't they?
Yes, that's right.
What was the original layout like here?
Well, originally there was a wall here, and another wall here. The space where the dining table is now was a Japanese-style room.
Oh, so that was a separate Japanese-style room.
Yes, and another Western-style room on that side.
I see.
Then, this kitchen and the room you can see now to the right were connected as a dining kitchen area.
So that makes it a 4DK layout. It was the common old-style layout, where the center DK area didn't connect directly to the balcony.
Right.
This time, you've expanded the living room. So you were able to create a private room here instead.
Yes, we basically demolished everything and rebuilt the walls and structure from scratch.
I see. But this room doesn't have a window facing the exterior wall.
That's right, it does tend to feel quite dark.
Yes. So, for the purpose of bringing in light, you've installed an interior window. This is something we see a lot in renovations lately, but it's really stylish.
Yes, it is.
What were some of the special design ideas or creative touches you added this time?
Well, for example, these storage units for hallways and living room storage outside the rooms. We used handleless cabinets. In areas where people walk through often, like hallways or corridors, handles that stick out can be a bit of a hazard. So we avoided them for both safety and aesthetics. Also, if you look over here, we even installed a power outlet inside the storage cabinet.
Right there in the middle section?
Yes.
I noticed the floor inside the storage is raised quite a bit.
Right. That's because when we converted the kitchen into an counter-style layout, we had to reroute the water supply, hot water, and drainage pipes all the way around. So this raised floor section is where those pipes are running.
I see. Originally, when the kitchen was on that wall, the drainage could just go straight down. But since you moved the kitchen to face the living area, you had to reroute all the pipes along the wall here. So now the piping runs beneath this section, right?
That's right.
Even though this storage floor is slightly raised, it doesn't cause any issues at all.
Exactly.
We often get renovation requests from people who want to change a wall-mounted kitchen into an open one. And this kind of approach shows that it's possible in some cases.
Yes. Another possible method is to raise the entire floor.
But in this case, you didn't raise the main floor, right?
Correct. Only this section is slightly elevated. If you raise the whole floor, it's usually by around 10 centimeters at least, which allows enough space for the piping to run underneath.
I see, so that would increase the flexibility of the layout.
Exactly. For clients who want to remodel the home they already live in, if it's okay to just raise the floor and the kitchen area separately, then it's fine to do just the kitchen. However, if you raise the entire floor, the ceiling height will decrease a bit. So it depends on how much you're willing to accept in terms of that. And regarding the air conditioning, we've installed one air conditioner unit here. But for the Western-style rooms at the back or this newly created room as well. Originally, air conditioners couldn't be installed at all. So we ran refrigerant pipes through each room. And you can see this slight bump here along the beam.
I see this part sticks out a little.
Yes, that's because all the refrigerant pipes for each room run through here and go outside from this point.
I see. So, the pipes come out from here. This connects to the outer wall that leads outside.
That's right, we've done the pre-piping work here. So it's in a state where you can simply install the air conditioner and use it.
So, for example, the room next to the living room has air conditioning capability, right?
Yes.
Did you route the refrigerant pipes through the ceiling?
So they're all grouped together. And for this room, for example, the piping runs through the hallway and loops all the way around.
Along this beam here?
Yes, that's right.
The refrigerant pipes are running inside this beam, and then exit outside through this boxed section.
Exactly.
Thank you.
And for this room here, The refrigerant pipe is located right over there.
I see. So, this room is also prepped, so that an air conditioner can be installed. And there's an outlet too.
Yes, we've run a dedicated power line for the air conditioner directly from the breaker panel.
Now, how do you handle the drainage?
For this one, the drain is currently routed upward. So there's something called a drain-up kit, which is a device that lifts the drainage upward. And by installing it together with the air conditioner, it allows the drain to be discharged.
I see. So you've already prepared those drain-up kits as well?
Yes, we've prepared them for all 3 rooms.
So when the new owner installs the air conditioners, they can simply connect them with the drain-up kits. And the drainage will work with no issues.
Right. I do hear stories about drain-up kits sometimes malfunctioning. So I actually inquired with the manufacturer, and they said that as long as you clean the drain-up kit regularly, it should be fine. So it might involve a bit of extra maintenance, but at least it's in a state where air conditioners can be installed.
Thank you. Is the back here storage?
Yes, this is quite a spacious storage closet.
It has 3 folding doors.
Since it's a large storage space, there's a divider wall in the middle, but you can store items on both sides.
Thank you. And the window looks like this from the inside.
Yes.
So, only the top section can be opened and closed.
Right. Some models have a fixed top section, and others, like this one, have a top hinged awning window. So there are multiple configurations available. You can mix and match different setups depending on preference. And it also looks stylish, doesn't it?
Yes, it gives a real renovation feel to the room.
So, shall we move on to the bathroom area next?
Sure.
Here we installed a Toto Octave Light Vanity Sink Unit. Also, since the floor here is directly on the slab, we've installed a special renovation type laundry pan with an integrated drain above the floor level.
I see, it is the raised type.
That's right. Since we can't route the drainage under the floor, we use the raised model.
Thank you.
And here's the bathroom. This is Lixil's Renovio P-Series.
What size is it?
It's the 12-16 type. We used all magnetic fixtures this time. The mirror cabinet, the shower hose, everything attaches magnetically.
Nice.
Also, we've made it a hinged door and installed a towel bar outside the door. This is the towel rail.
That's a nice practical feature. The downlight looks great in here as well.
Yes, that was an optional upgrade. Additionally, we installed a full accent panel and installed a bathroom drying heater. Also over here,
Is that a storage unit?
no, actually, this is the electric water heater.
I see.
There was an older electric water heater here originally, but we replaced the entire unit with a brand new one.
So both the water supply and hot water pipes have been renewed.
Exactly. And over here is the toilet. This one is a Toto ZR1 model. Also, originally there wasn't any overhead cabinet, so we added a new wall-mounted storage cabinet above. And as we mentioned earlier, the hallway storage uses handleless doors with adjustable shelves inside.
There's quite a lot of storage space in this unit.
Yes.
That's really nice.
Also for this room, instead of a regular floor-mounted door stopper, we installed an arm-type stopper.
What was the reason for that?
This area was quite tight where the door might interfere, so we opted for an arm stopper to keep it compact. And this room is also pre-piped for air conditioning. Here it is. And this room also has a 2-panel closet installed. Next to it, there's one more room.
Since this is a 3 LDK layout, there's one more bedroom.
Yes. This last room is about 4 tatami mats in size. Originally, there was no storage here at all. Actually, this space used to be part of the hallway.
Really?
There used to be a storage area facing the hallway, but we removed that and instead created this open closet space inside the bedroom.
I see. Very clever use of space.
We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description.
Thank you, Mr. Suzuki.
Thank you.
May I ask how much the total renovation cost was this time?
Yes, it came to 8 million yen, including tax.
8 million yen. I believe this was a project to renovate the condominium purchased by the Narashino store. Buy and resell requires a real estate license, doesn't it?
Yes, that's right.
Do you have one?
Yes, we do.
So you're also licensed for real estate transactions. So, in terms of real estate, what kind of consultations can clients come to you for?
Well, one common case is when people are considering buying a pre-owned property. They often wonder, I can buy it, but how much would the renovation cost afterward? We can give advice from that early stage, even before purchase, and also tailor our renovation proposals to fit the client's budget.
So you can also assist with the actual property purchase itself?
Of course, our company also handles brokerage.
Right, you have a physical store as well. So for example, if someone says, I'm looking for a used condo or a new house around this area, you can help them find one?
Yes, absolutely.
Which areas do you cover?
Mainly Chiba Prefecture, and the eastern part of Tokyo close to Chiba.
I see. Of course, renovation is your specialty. But it's great to know you also handle real estate. So for those watching this video, you can also handle investment properties, right?
Yes, we can. In fact, we own some apartment buildings ourselves.
So whether it's an income property, or a personal project like buying a used condo or home, even if you're just thinking, they're happy to take care of that as well. So please feel free to reach out and consult with them anytime. Thank you for today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. If you do not yet have the IMECHEN brochure, it's available for download from our website, so we encourage you to please download it. Additionally, we have a separate YouTube channel called The Backside of IMECHEN, where we share behind-the-scenes footage of our shoots and casual discussions with our affiliated shops. We'd love for you to check that out as well. Thank you for watching until the end.